capturing Africa, torn from our land. Chains on our feet, still guided by your hand. Through the Atlantic darkness, in the belly of pain. No hygiene, no mercy, yet you call our name. In the shadows of sorrow, where many souls cried, you kept the flame burning, you stayed by our side. While many went silent, lost in the deep, you whispered your promise, we shall not sleep. You're a good God, yes you are, yes you are.
Through the storm, through the scars, brought us this far.
From the chains to the crown, we rise and we sing. We started as slaves, but we end as king.
Jubilé, jubilé,
Freedom call, hear the trumpet sound. We rise, we stand tall. You're a good God,
faithful and true.
all of the glory belongs to you. Auction blocks in America, stripped of our name, broken but breathing, still calling your name. Sugarcane fields under hot blazing sun, through agony and tears, your will be done. They tried to erase us, to silence our cry, but you kept us living, you kept hope alive. For a greater tomorrow, a divine design, a purpose eternal, your plan not mine. We've been in captivity too long, but your promise, Lord, it's strong.
So strong.
United we rise, no more divide. Africa, Caribbean, stand side by side. Africa, unite, the call is now. One people, one voice, we take a bow. The Atlantic echoes, the spirit agrees. From the roots to the branches, we are free. You're a good God, yes you are, yes you are.
Through the storm, through the scars, brought us this far.
From the chains to the crown, we rise and we sing. We started as slaves, but we end as kings. Jubilé, jubilé, freedom call, hear the trumpet sound. We rise, we stand tall. You're a good God,
Faithful and true.
all of the glory belongs to you. Oh, 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 oh. Haiti cried out since 1791. Freedom was born, though the battle not done. Union fell our force, we stand as one. Under your kingdom, your will be done. We didn't come here just to survive. We came to prepare, to build, to revive. Two continents, one bloodline divine. Your prophecy moving in perfect time. You're a